Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I am going to make strawberry shake. It's a very tasty and healthy recipe. I'm going to make 1 glass of strawberry shake. For that I'm taking strawberries 6. We have washed and cleaned the strawberries. Make sure the strawberries are very fresh and ripe. Now we'll cut this into small pieces. For making strawberry shake, we are just going to use strawberries, honey, and milk. Take a grinding jar, put all the strawberries in, add honey to it, 2 tablespoons. Firstly, add little bit of milk, around 1/4 cup, so that it grinds well. Grind it for 30 seconds. The strawberry has been grinded very well. Now we'll add the remaining milk to it. Over here we have used 250 ml of full cream milk. Grind it once again for 30 seconds and we are done. Now let's serve it in a glass. The strawberry shake is looking very yummy. It tastes really good. Always have it fresh when you make it, especially in the morning. It's an energy drink. It will make you feel more energetic and fresh. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. You can share your feedbacks with me in the comment box below. Now you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.